Hey guys, it's Becca Velasco. Check out my channel. It's just that my camera ain't working, so I gotta use this one. I gotta use my sister's phone, but it really doesn't matter. So, okay, so look at this. It's freaking flooded our street.
This happened when we were in school. It was a long story, but it was raining so hard. It raining.
Look at that.
And then
Look.
look what happened.
Damn. It's huge. The water is huge over here. But if you see closely, very closely, okay, there's no water right here. But if you go really quick, if you go far from all the way over here, it's deep. You see this? My feet are ready. Guys, no. Okay, so what this is a freaking flood around our school.
Okay, Becker, point the camera. The
Oh,
car's coming. I love it.
So you're gonna
Stop
see.
zooming in.
You're gonna see this. Look, this is like a stick. But once there was a car going so quick that it was going so quick. It went flying. It was like a wave of water going up. But now you can see it goes really far. I'm walking right now, but it drowned our sidewalk. It drowned our sidewalk. It's really deep. It drowned our sidewalk until all the way over here. But when I was walking home from school, I didn't know this would happen. So this is really dumb. I don't know why my mom made me walk home, but look how far this is. End of our street. It's all the way over here. It's all the way over here. You can see it. See this? This is how. Yeah, over here it's so deep. It flooded everything. I had to go through another side to get home. It was so deep.